Chapter 5: Leveraging LinkedIn Groups for Business Success. LinkedIn Groups provide a powerful platform for professionals to connect, engage, and collaborate within specific industries, interests, or communities. In Chapter 5, we will explore the benefits and strategies of leveraging LinkedIn Groups to enhance your business success. By actively participating in relevant groups, you can expand your network, establish your expertise, generate leads, and foster valuable relationships. Finding relevant groups. The first step in leveraging LinkedIn Groups is to find those that align with your industry, interests, and target audience. Search for groups using relevant keywords and filters to narrow down the results. Look for active groups with a substantial number of members and engaging discussions. Consider joining both industry-specific groups and broader professional communities that attract your target audience. By finding the right groups, you can connect with like-minded professionals and expand your reach within your niche. Engaging in meaningful discussions. Once you've joined relevant LinkedIn groups, it's crucial to actively engage in meaningful discussions. Look for discussions that align with your expertise or topics you're passionate about. Share your insights, offer advice, and contribute valuable information to the conversation. By providing helpful and relevant input, you establish yourself as a knowledgeable professional and gain visibility within the group. Engaging in discussions also allows you to learn from others, gain new perspectives, and stay updated on industry trends. Sharing valuable content. LinkedIn Groups provide an excellent opportunity to share your content and establish yourself as a thought leader. Create and share valuable articles, blog posts, videos, or infographics that resonate with the group members. Ensure your content provides valuable insights, actionable tips, or industry knowledge. Be mindful of the group's rules and guidelines regarding self-promotion and focus on delivering value rather than blatant advertising. When group members find your content helpful, they are more likely to engage with it, share it, and view you as a trusted resource. Initiating discussions. Don't just wait for discussions to happen. Take the initiative to start conversations within the LinkedIn groups. Pose thought-provoking questions, seek opinions on industry-related topics, or share interesting news or articles. By initiating discussions, you encourage engagement and foster a sense of community within the group. Be responsive to the comments and insights shared by other members to maintain an active and engaging discussion. Initiating discussions positions you as a leader and facilitator within the group. Building relationships. LinkedIn groups offer a unique opportunity to build valuable relationships with professionals in your industry or target audience. Engage with group members by liking, commenting, and sharing their posts. Acknowledge their contributions, offer support, and provide thoughtful feedback. Actively participate in discussions started by other group members and connect with those who share common interests or goals. When you build meaningful relationships within the group, you expand your network and open doors for collaboration, referrals, and business opportunities. Establishing your expertise. Consistently engaging in LinkedIn groups helps establish your expertise and credibility within your industry. When you consistently share valuable insights, participate in discussions, and provide helpful information, group members will recognize you as a knowledgeable professional. This recognition can lead to opportunities such as speaking engagements, guest blogging, or industry partnerships. Establishing your expertise through LinkedIn groups enhances your personal brand and positions you as a trusted authority in your field. Leveraging group events and announcements. LinkedIn groups often host events, webinars, or virtual conferences. Take advantage of these opportunities to attend, participate, or even present. Group events allow you to network with fellow professionals, learn from industry experts, and showcase your knowledge and skills. Additionally, leverage group announcements to share relevant updates, product launches, or company news. Group members who are interested in your offerings or industry-related updates can connect with you, leading to potential business opportunities or partnerships. Monitoring group analytics. LinkedIn provides group analytics that give insights into the performance of your group activities. Monitor the analytics to understand which discussions or content resonate the most with group members. Identify the most engaged members and nurture those relationships further. Pay attention to the topics that generate the most interest and tailor your future content and discussions accordingly. Monitoring group analytics helps you refine your LinkedIn group strategy and maximize your impact within the community. Leveraging LinkedIn groups is a powerful way to expand your network, establish your expertise, and foster valuable relationships. Engage in meaningful discussions, share valuable content, initiate conversations, and build relationships within the groups. By actively participating and providing value, you position yourself as a trusted resource and open doors for business growth and collaboration.